Spice says she was profiled by Walmart employees for spending too much money.
Yes, me feel away. You know why me feel away? You see, if me did white, me sad to say, she would have expect say me could have so much money. But she don't know me, she don't know say a spy, she just see a little black girl come with a tree trolley and cash out and she see cash out, she turn eat that and she black, you know. But true society don't embed it in our mind already say. We not have so much money, we not push out tree trolley out of Walmart. Error. Don't feel away. I feel away.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
So Spice went live and shared her experience, what happened to her at Walmart. So she says she went to Walmart to go shopping and, you know, the employees, they were profiling her because apparently she was spending a lot of money and she was spending cash, right? So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. I have the footage for now and Spice, you know what I mean, look like she might have a new style. Me feel away because from she said that me a sip on the internet all about. You see me? All about in the comment section. So let's get into the footage and hear what she has say. Here goes.
Because I felt like the lady in Walmart was doing some racial profiling, okay? So you listen and you be the judge and you tell me if she racial profile my ass in Walmart. Because Walmart, I need answers. I went shopping today and the things that I bought, you know, the boxes were big. So I ended up using 3 trolleys, okay? I use the 3 trolley and push and reach at the counter. It was just me and my friend, so of course, you know, it kind of awkward for I push the trolley them. And the things them pack up and one heap of things. When we reach at the cashier, it was an older lady at the cashier. I see a lady run come from way over Jericho, the lady there at Jericho. No, hold on, she not run come yet, you know, hold on. I take out the cash for pay because I wasn't using my card today. So I take out the cash when the woman ring up the something them and the whole heap of trolley and the whole heap of excitement, you know, them frightened. I take out cash because I was paying with cash. When me take out the cash and I count up the money, me see one woman run come from way over Jericho because the customer service part did that up on the opposite side. Me see one black woman. Me see a black woman run come from over Jericho. Excuse me, you know, we gotta check we gotta double count. She used one word, me never know it. You come like a them store word. But she try to say the woman alone can't count the cash, somebody else have to count it. Which it has happened to me before when me go Louis Vuitton and use my cash. Somebody else have to spot check. Me don't know what it name. Must be spot check or whatever them want to call it. We don't know what it name. Somebody else have to count the money to make sure when it's a lot of money. So she come and say somebody else have to count the money. She count the money. She not done. She come back again and say they don't have the machine for detect if the money fake or whatever. You know me, I get ignorant now because remember, you know, me stand up at the counter. You know the line long in there because of Christmas now. So everybody I look like what this now. She count the money. Syria look for the money. I look for the money 40, 50 at time. She just look for the money, I skip the money and I look. Here now. How these $250 look different? Can we get some more for $50? Here. How these $250 they look different. But just take out the rest of the money out of my bag. And say you want the next one and lick her with it. Because I know she come and create excitement for me for. But just take out the rest of $50 out of my bag and say what happened lady? You want the next one? Make sure she say there is more where that come from. But I tell you what, she did not want to go on, you know. Remember, you know, and she check me in and she spot checking a 3 woman come now, you know, 3 black woman come now, you know. The other lady where I do the spot check, where I make sure I say the other woman count good, she did it. Here the next one where I check if the money fake. No ma'am, don't feel away, bitch, I feel away. I feel away. Walmart, I feel away.
When you hear what Spice says, so who feel away? When you get into the comment section and tell we, right? Because she wants to know if you feel like she was profiled or not. But may have more from Spice coming up because she going to tell us why she feel away, exactly why she feel like how she feel. But before that, I have to do something real quick. I have to go through that song real quick and then I go show you what Spice say, why she feel away.
Blessing falling on my rooftop. I'm just a needle in a haystack.
So the name of the artist is Yeman Denny and the song is called Blessings.
Dead president sitting on my trunk back. My suitcase on my backpack.
So the artist forward from St. Vincent, used to live in Trinidad, but now I'm living in Flint, Michigan.
I am blessed. 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 I wake up in the morning.
People, me can relate to that song. I know say enough of uno can relate to it as well. As Yaman say, him wake up in the man and him have health and strength. Him mother no hungry no more. Him children no hungry no more. And that definitely is a blessing.
No more. No more. My mama not hungry no more. My children are hungry no more.
You can't know where you go if you don't know where you come from. And even though the artist blessed now, him still remember where him forward from.
I could remember when my mama did not food for me to eat. We used to walk from shops to Kingston bare feet. And they bully them, yeah man, them used to bad beat. Me used to climb coconut tree just to get food to eat. And my mama used to have to sweep Kingston Street.
Like Coffee said, people, gratitude is a must. And you have to give thanks for life, you know what I mean? Because a whole heap of people don't make it to December in 2020. So me bless.
I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed. I am blessed. Blessing falling on my rooftop. I'm just a needle in a haystack.
And people, and I first may review the artist and music. Me review him other song when he Missing You, and that one there for the ladies them. So what me I go do, me I go put the link to this song and also the other song, and me I go put all them other social media links them so you can find him.
I am blessed. I am blessed.
And people, the artist share him story with me. So everything when I sing in that song a real thing.
So when me was a boy, they used to call me Duncy. They said me head harder than Bear Nancy. Now your man chatting like a parrot dip on a tree. Dip on a tree, me say me dip on a tree. I am blessed.
So again, people, the song is called Blessings, and the name of the artist is Yaman Demi. And him forward from outer St. Vincent. Him used to live in Trinidad, and now him live at Flint, Michigan. Right? I want to can tell say the artist bad reggae artist. So I may say people. So you know I'm gonna leave all them links them so you can check him out and you can follow him on all the social media platform. You see me? So big up the artist one more time. But people, we are get right back into the Spice story. Now me gonna make you hear why Spice says she feel away.
You know why I feel away? You see if I did white, me sad to say. She would have expect say I could have so much money. But she don't know me, she don't know say a spy. She don't see a little black girl come with a tree trolley a cash out and she see cash out, she turn eat that and she black, you know. But true society don't embed it in our mind already say. We not have so much money, we not have to push out tree trolley out of Walmart. Error. Don't feel away. I feel away. I feel away. But that's ball out for there. Because I know that everywhere I go, I make everybody know say Jamaican. And when them trouble me now, I make them know say I'm trouble. Listen, you see me there foreign, I act nice and decent and carry myself good. When I twang me, I'll twang back on them. Them don't know where I come from, nobody don't know nothing. If you don't know me, you don't know me. Yes, when they piss me off and the Jamaican leak out of me, it can't come out. Error. Don't feel away. I say I feel away. I say I feel clot way. I feel away, lady. Because you have the log line right there, so you see the tree cat already and done excitement. You come check money 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and about $150 look more than next $50. But just take up more than $50 them and say, see more $50 yeah. I feel away. feel away. Me don't feel away. Walmart, I feel away. Me don't feel away already. So you tell me now if you don't feel away. I feel away. If you don't feel away, I say me feel away. No, ma'am, don't feel away. I feel away.
So people get in the comment section, let me know what you think about Spice's story, right? Uno feel away, you know what I mean? Should she feel away? Was she profiled or not, right? So I also want to know, give me a comment on the song, give me a feedback, let me know what I go. Alright? So big up on yourself, people. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for subscribing. And if you just subscribe, welcome to the family.
We got Diamond in my AP, Dancehall IG, Atina. Excuse me, Dancehall IG, Rich. Punk, should know, 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.